Welcome to the Joys of Property Man video number 26, recorded on July 30th, 2023. I'm going to hit play on our security footage here. We're looking at our monitor. We had a car drive into the park today and run into one of our tenants. It was at 6 o'clock this morning. We're looking at the footage from our monitor here at the office. First bump there. Watching it raw right off of our footage. I'm videoing the monitor itself. Hit it again. It's like it's a Ford Escalade SUV. License plate, I tried zooming in on it different times. Couldn't get the plate number. And it really hits it good right here. Boom. Three times it collided with that same car. Thanks for watching. Joys of Property Management.